All right, now we're at the glue removal. We have removed this glue. There's some residue left on it. I'm going to share with you how we got it to this point right here, and from this point to this point, and how to get rid of this little bit of residue. And we use these little scrapers right here. It works great. First off, what we do is we put a little mist of our specialty stuff on, and again, all these will be in the tools list. And we just scrape that around. We like to keep it as wet as possible. All right, now we're going to use the adhesive remover after we let the other stuff set. We'll just mix that around like this. Keep it from going down on my other stuff. Coming right off, see that? The key is to let it soak. Then you'll use the yellow stuff on a rag and wipe all the little, we call them boogers, off. Once you get the main, this adhesive up here off. Let's see how much is there you didn't even know was there. Believe it or not, removing the adhesive is actually tougher, more time consuming than removing the actual plastic shield. Here, now we'll take our cloth. This rag has all the yellow stuff on it, so I'll just wipe all that up. Nice to see a shine finally after all these years. And I'll do the same process on everything here until I get it, but I want to get this area done for you so you can see what it looks like. Now I'm going to spray a little adhesive remover because it's still saturated with the yellow stuff. Spray it up high and let it run down. Use your junky microfibers when you're doing this. Yellow stuff first when you're doing the rough stuff where it's just plain adhesive on here, untouched. Let it soak, then use your adhesive remover, and all these tools will be in the tools list in the more area of the description. Now you know why it costs so much to have somebody do this. Now we'll take another junky microfiber, wipe that area clean. That's a beautiful shine just in its own right there. Now we take our buffer with our mothers and watch this. Mothers is all we use on all paint. And it'll even remove some of the last little residues of glue adhesive. Now we'll put it on high. Now we'll put on our buffing pad. Now if you have any of the glue that's still on there, like that right there, real simple. You just take your saturated cloth with your yellow stuff that was on it. That'll take it right off. Then you just got to repeat the process. So it's really good to remove as much or all of the glue that you can. Little bits, the buffer will take off. But if it's globbed on there, and I'm trying to hurry for you, so don't waste a lot of time, you can get busy doing your job. Clean that off. We'll hit it with our mothers again. Now the buffing pad. And then what we will do is ceramic coat this with our good ceramic coating, and we won't have to put a shield on it again. Now we will take our really good microfiber, buff that in. Then all we have to do is ceramic coat it. But let me get the camera back so you can get an eyeball with this. what the whole thing is going to look like. Hi, can you see me waving at you? What do you think of that? From that garbage right here to that. Alright, we're removing the glue. I'm going to put on our yellow stuff, that's what we call it. And we're going to keep it from running too far down. Just want to soak it down. Let it set 2 or 3 minutes. This is the most time-consuming part of it. But in order to get it looking like that right there, we got to do it. And we're going to use the big scraper. It's been a long day today. The little razor blade will do good in these tight areas right here. The yellow stuff and the adhesive remover work great together. Put this on, as I said before, let it set, and then use the adhesive remover, and then keep spraying this on, and the adhesive remover, and then this back and forth, and then use this as final cleanup. And you'll have to sharpen these, like I said in the first video. You can even sharpen your little razor blades as well. This you can really push hard on. And the razor blade really helps to remove the fine adhesive. It's still stuck on there. And to get into delicate areas. That stuff right there that you can barely see on there. Alright, we're going to move the camera. Make sure you put your wiper blades down, because you will run into them and it doesn't feel good. Alright, we're going to call that done. I got this little corner right here to do, and the next video will be buffing it out. So make sure you catch all 3 of these videos. GoPro, stop recording.